Hey guys, I am leaving my local Michaels and look what I've got. Make Market Kits, Christmas related, 12 of them. Unfortunately, they are not displayed in the store yet. I'm not sure where exactly they got it from. Maybe they had it in their storage or something like that, or in their stash, I'm not sure, but they're not displayed in the store, so I cannot show you what else they have because they have way more kits than what I purchased. Once they have it displayed, I will definitely make the video, but what we are going to do now, we are going to see every single design that I purchased. Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel, Diamond Painting by Nat. So, let's look at the kits a little bit more closely. Are you excited? So in this video, I'm not going to unbox each kit because there are 12 of them and it will take forever. I will make a separate video, maybe a few parts. But in this one, I would like to show you the designs or the design of each kit. We will find out the drill shape and how many colors each of them has. Now, let's start with this one. So these 5 are square drills. They come with square drills only. It says here in the middle of the box, the first design is this gorgeous pink castle. As you can see, it is diamond painted with square drills. Not sure if there are ABs or not. We will find out on the next video when I am going to unbox it, but it's a really very nice and beautiful castle. Girly girl. Very girly castle. So this kit contains 33 colors. Here it is. And that's how the completed image looks. What I love about Diamond Make Market and other American companies, Diamond Art Club and Diamond Dots, is that they always have the final result on their boxes, on the previews. This way you can decide on whether you like it or not, on whether it's worth purchasing or not. The next design is gorgeous. Fireplace, very festive, very cozy. I can smell the fireplace from looking at the picture. I can smell the Christmas tree, and I can feel the heat from the fireplace just by looking at it. Super detailed. I love it. The only disadvantage for me is that it comes with square drills because I love customizing my kits, but unfortunately I do not have that much variety in square drills like crystals or ABs as I do in rounds. So I'm really very limited in enhancing my kits when it comes to square drills. So fireplace, this is the name, and this kit comes with 53 colors. Actually, I noticed that these kits come with a pretty high quality of from pretty many high quantity of drills. Not 20, not 15, not even 30, more than that. 33 and up. The next one is gingerbread. Well, I call it gingerbread man, but the name is just gingerbread, I'm not sure. So these two cute gingerbread men. Again, square drills. Gorgeous detalization, and this kit contains 47 colors. The next one, actually I'm not sure the name, is Colorful Village. Okay, this is the design. Also, this kit contains a lot of details for the kits of 40 by 50 centimeters. I haven't mentioned the size because all the kits that you are going to see have a standard size of 16 by 20 inches or 40 by 50 centimeters. The standard size, the standard frame size. That is why I love purchasing Diamond Art Club. Make Market kits, because the size is standard and it's very easy to find the frame. So this kit for its size has a lot of details. Look, it's not only the houses, but also the Christmas tree, but also the guy with a kid on the sleigh. There is a deer, there is a cat, there is Santa. Here it is. So for such a small kit, the detalization is flawless. The next one, I suspect that this carriage is from the same series. So the owner of this carriage definitely resides in this pink castle. The name of this very design is Pink Carriage. Like, makes sense, right? And this kit comes with 54 colors. So this is a very unique design, I would say. Very out of the ordinary, I would say, not trivial, and not 100% Christmas related. This kit, like this design, would make a beautiful gift for girls. Because every girl thinks she is a princess, right? And every princess has a carriage. So for now, these are 5 square drill kits. Okay, now we are going to move to round ones. Now, I haven't purchased all the kits that they had. This year they had a lot of designs, way more than last year. And I have a few in the cart. I will purchase it once I get my voucher, back. Like, when you spend money in Michaels, they give you like $5 back, $10 back, depending on how much you spend. And I spent like a lot today. So once I have it and have them refunded to me, so to say, I will purchase more kits that I saved for later. Okay, and some of them are round, some of them are square. Okay, square drills. We are done with square drills. Now we are moving to round ones. So there are 7 round drill kits. By the way, before we go over round drills, I just wanted to know that there is a 30% sale going on Michael's website. So, but be careful. If you purchase kits on the website, 30% off will be applied to your total purchase. That is why I personally ordered online and picked up in store. That is why each kit cost me $10.50. But if you go to the physical store to purchase it from there, then 30% is applied only to one kit. So if you purchase 12 kits like me, you won't be paying $10.50 per each kit. You will be paying $10.50 for one kit, and the rest will cost you $15. No, $14.99. I'm just rounding it up. So just keep it in mind, okay? So what I would advise you to do is to place an order online, apply the 30% discount for your total order, and pick up in store or ship it if it is not available in your local Michaels. Okay, so we will start with this beautiful Present and Coco round gems. Isn't it pretty? And it contains 44 colors. Also, this is a pretty, I would say, universal Christmas gift. It could be given both to men and to women, because I guess the majority of men won't understand this very pink carriage, right? Because I was showing my purchase to my coworker who got a few kits from me last year, and he was not very excited about this one. But I will show you the one that he liked very much and that I like a lot. The next kit is Santa's sleigh. The Santa is flying. There is a small town under him. Round drills. And this kit comes with 44 colors. Okay, next one. Also very unique, gorgeous, very out of the ordinary, Christmas designs. Carousel. This horsey, round drills. I already have some ideas of how I'm going to enhance this kit with crystals. This kit contains 53 colors. I love it. This one is very unusual. Very unusual. Gorgeous. This is Nutcracker Ballet. Also very unusual nutcracker with point shoes. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. But again, too pinky, I guess, for a man to get. But I love it. Very unusual nutcracker. In out of an ordinary background, I would say. Here a little bit bigger. Also, a lot of details actually. And this is one of my favorite ones. It is called Gingerbread House. However, I would personally call it gingerbread incense burner, because technically there are 3 incense burners that look like gingerbread houses, and I'm not sure if it is Palo Santo here or if it is cinnamon, but I love it because I'm like crazy about incense. I love incense burners, and I am nuts when it comes to houses. You know, I diamond paint mostly houses. So this one is beautiful, just beautiful picture. And this is the design that my co-worker liked the best. I told him right away that I'm not selling this one. If he wanted me to make one for him, I would purchase an extra one, but I'm keeping this one for myself. 41 colors. Actually, I'm not sure if I showed you how many colors in the Nutcracker. Oh wow, 57. I would never think that this Nutcracker had 57 colors. I thought that the carousel would have way more, 53. Interesting. Okay, now this one, Winter Forest. I already also have some idea how to enhance this very kit. I was thinking to customize it, to customize Aurora Borealis with crystals and tabbies. I think it would look fantastic. I have a kit, a few kits with Aurora Borealis. I love Aurora Borealis. I love diamond painting Aurora Borealis. I replaced a few colors with crystals, and it looks fantastic. But both of them are partial. So this kit contains 25 colors. Oh my god, so few. Okay, 25 colors only. Can you imagine? That one contains 25 colors, and the Nutcracker, how many? 57. Wow, okay. So, and the last kit that I also love very much, the design that I love very much, this home ornament. Isn't it gorgeous? Those ornaments, right? Christmas tree ornaments, they look fantastic in Make Market Designs. Round drills, completed kit. And this one contains 44 colors. So they are all fantastic. All the designs are great. As I say, every year Make Market, I don't know if I can say so, overdoes themselves, you know? They have more kits this year. They have more variety than last year. The designs are gorgeous. Last year, the kits were fantastic. So every year, year after year, they make it better and better. Like when you think that they can't outdo themselves, they can't make it better, they prove me wrong. Like I thought last year was the best. No, this year is better than last year. So my top 3, I mean, again, I love all of them, but my top 3 are, of course, the incense burn, right? Gingerbread house, home ornament. Yeah, who would doubt, right? And this fireplace. So I will leave the link to one of the kits in the description box below the video. So once you go there, you will be able to see their other kits that they offer. There are a lot of them, maybe around 20. Plus they have smaller kits, also very nice ones, but unfortunately my Michaels didn't have them in the store. Okay, so hopefully they will have them maybe this weekend, and I will be able to purchase a few more. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what are your top favorite designs of this year collection, Christmas collection. Michaels, thank you so much for such an amazing brand. Bye.